We had a mini fridge! We also got this grill. Fits perfectly in there, actually.
Yeah. Alright, so today they got a lot done.
Well, what's going on? Because I never told him.
Oh, so we're getting a bathroom put in on the outside of our house, so we'll have 2 bathrooms. And today they dug a lot to our tank, and we're cutting into our laundry room.
That we'll now have to get a new laundry room.
Yeah, we'll have to get like a stacked laundry, or we'll have to,
or maybe like open that and then expand
yeah, we'll have to
it.
change some more things.
Yeah.
But that'll be later. We'll figure that out later.
Yeah.
Now we can probably just put it outside and like put a tarp over it.
Yeah, for
Or
sure.
something.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're cutting into our laundry room to make the bathroom bigger. They laid concrete down and put the pipe in the ground so we'll have drainage.
Nice.
And then we went out and bought the shower valve, and we have to get a vanity in the sink, or a vanity and a toilet. So we can, but they have most of that part done. We also built a grill, and we got our mini fridge put in today.
Yeah.
So
This is nice. It's nice and leveled. This will be interesting because we're just kind of trying to make it fit in a random place. But we need 2 bathrooms. Why?
because we have family coming, and I feel like once they come other family members, Yummy,
No, don't go over there.
we'll have, I feel like when we do have family, a lot of family's gonna be coming.
Yeah.
So like, we have our parents and your sisters coming, and we're gonna want another bathroom, because then like if brother and his family coming, then
But yeah, good point.
Yeah, and then my aunts or uncles or your aunts or uncles.
Yeah.
I don't know if they would ever. Maybe your grandma comes out with like Dionete,
Yep.
Chepe.
And just having friends over too. It's nice to like host and have 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
And yeah.
If we threw a big party out back here for whatever reason, a big cookout.
Yeah. And we already told Jacob. I already told Jacob that the outside bathroom is mine, so he doesn't have to worry about going out in the cold. But this bathroom's gonna be nicer because we're essentially designing a whole new bathroom. But he's lucky because he gets the inside bathroom. He doesn't have to come outside. Lucky you.
Yeah. Lucky me.
But really, it's lucky me because I get a whole new bathroom. Anyway, yeah. So that's the progress on that. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being a narrator. And yeah, small baby steps, doing what we can with what we can.
Miami.
And yeah. Yami's crazy. She's happy. She hasn't been able to be outside all day because the contractors are out here. Lasbra poop. Yeah. Yeah, I saw her. I saw her gearing up her booty. But, yeah. Oh, let's show them your mini fridge.
I want to stick in the concrete. Yeah, so we got the mini fridge.
Up and running. So why do we need a mini fridge? Or why would you say it's more of a luxury to have? Because we don't need a mini fridge.
It's definitely a luxury to have. It's also just nice to have in this area because it looks nice.
It's like a coffee bar, and then it has a mini fridge. Yeah. Also, so everything you need to make your coffee will be in here. Your creamers, your milk and stuff, right? And then we have all our coffee stuff that's going to be in here. Coffee K-cups or whatever. Mugs. More tea and stuff. We're going to organize it a lot prettier, obviously. But also, when our family comes, we're going to have a bunch of beverages of their choice in there. And that's going to be nice because it won't fill up all the fridge. And we're going to have to be making so much food when they're here. So if we can move all the drinks over here, that's actually...
It's really just a luxury to have when We're hosting people.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely don't
And
need
then,
it, but it's like nice
yeah.
and-
And then we got a grill today.
Ow! Get out of there.
And we got a new grill today.
Mm-hmm.
That's really nice.
Yeah, we cooked on it for the first time. It came out really good.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even mind getting carne from that place again.
That was good
It
carne
was good
preparada,
carne.
yeah.
Yeah.
It was a little too seasoned for me at the same time. I think as long as you char it, it'll be really good. But I think if you don't char it enough, some parts can be a little bit too seasoned. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't get all the juices out as it should. It's just, there's just, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it was kind of, some bites were a lot, but
Like a little overwhelming, right? Because of the flavor. But
as far as like saving time and stuff,
yeah, and
There's
now we
nice.
can cook our chicken on there and everything.
Mhm.
It's gonna be nice.
Chicken.
And why do we need a grill again? Another luxury to have, but it's good because this is our stove.
We don't have a vent.
Yeah, we don't have a vent. This is our stove right now. We have family coming once again, and to have the luxury to like cook at another location kind of is good.
Yeah.
So it's not too overwhelming in the kitchen. So a lot of our decisions are also obviously based around family and their comfort and our comfort. But when we lived in North Carolina, our families visit us a bunch. So I don't.
Even then though, we still got the grill. 'Cause
Yeah,
it
even
was
though we
nice
have,
to have.
yeah. But I'm just saying, like, our family does visit us. We do have people that visit us. We have friends that
Yeah.
visit us. So it'll be used for sure. Those are our updates for today. Short and sweet, but we're going to watch Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Last Straw. It just came out on Disney Plus. So Lala's right here if you're looking for her. You see Lala?
Yeah.
And then Yami's back there, yeah. We're not going to be able to do laundry for a little bit, I just realized. Because, like,
Good thing we just did it.
yeah, because there's a situation going on over there that I don't really know how to fix. I mean, maybe they could knock that one down and just, you know what I mean? Expand it so we can move everything over.
I just don't know.
But then there's the thing there, so actually they can't do that there. So it'd probably be best if we put it here, right under here, actually. But it's too bad that that's not a plug that you can put laundry in, like you said.
Yeah.
Oh, Yami's got the zoom. Yami, don't go that way.
Inside. Come on. Come on.
She's got the zoomies. Hi, Yummy. Where's your toy? Anyway, tomorrow should be pretty exciting. But, yeah. Good night.